it's me, and today I'm gonna do a spicy challenge. It's right now cooking, that's why I'm gonna wait. When it cooked, I'm gonna let you know when it cooked. Ow, ow, ow. And this is my laptop. I'm sorry guys, I need to close it. Okay guys, this is the noodle. Coca. Yeah, and yeah. Let's get into it. This is the noodle. Let's eat it. No, I have to eat it. It's so spicy. Finish. Guys, I pranked you. Was a prank. My friend just said it. You can do a prank for this YouTube. Ha! Guys, oh my god, this is my first time pranking you guys. There's nothing inside. I just eat the whole thing. And what I did, I just clean all of this and I eat it. I was not showing you what's inside. Oh, you got pranked. Okay guys, it's the end of the video. That's why. And you can follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna tell you the name when another video will come. And yeah. I need to go. Bye guys, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications on.